welcome back out to the channel, everybody. This is from the Ground Up RC. My name is Aaron. Hope you're having a great day. Today, or this week, it's just going to be a quick, short episode. I got to fix all this up. Anyhow, I think the way we got this and it busted up my aileron deal is I was going vertical and snapped it, and I think the gyro force of the prop just folded it over. So anyhow, so we're going to just kind of glue all this back on. We'll start. We'll fix this on the bottom half. Just kind of rough, and I don't have any way to video. I don't have my GoPro, but yeah. So I'll get the foam tack, well, the stuff that I got with the plane, and we'll glue all this on the bottom, and then we'll fix the bracing, all the bracing coming done, the aileron, all this stuff. This stuff's still attached, and then while that's setting, gotta make a new horn for this. So I just kind of held that kind of roughly where it's supposed to be, and then hold that up, aileron right kind of where it's supposed to be, kind of get a rough idea of what that was like. And we'll just make that out of like 1/64 plywood, and we'll glue it on the same way it was. And then I'll kind of glue this back on here. I'll probably just take some tape. I'll glue that, but I'll probably take some tape and just fold it over on top of that. And I'll just tape up inside of here. So I'll show you. Pretty much it. We just goop it in there and kind of press it in where it's supposed to go. That stuff sets up pretty quick. So I might have to do something with that. But you know, that's not the prettiest fixed job. It's got a little whatever there going on, but it'll fly. So yeah, that gap right there, I'm just probably gonna take some duct tape and or see if I got some extra foam. You can see this fix I come up with. I ripped the motor off already once before, so I cut up the stand he gave you with it to make that. So I don't know, maybe I'll put something in there, but right here I'll just put tape, and then so I'll show you how I figured out this control horn. All right, so this side still had that carbon pin, so I just held it up, put it in there, hold that flat, and then I measured, kind of sitting out like that, and it came out from the pin out here about 20 millimeters, and then I just kind of eyeballed it, and it comes forward off that center line about 7 millimeters. So I'll just rough up something like that, cut it out on the scroll saw, and stick it on there. So I lied, I'm not going to do it out of plywood, because I just remembered I got this piece of carbon from Dragon Plate. I've had this for a while, haven't done anything with it. Not going to do what I was planning on doing with it. So I believe you can just cut this out with a scroll saw. Just going to use a fine tooth blade. This is one for metal. We'll try that. If this one tears it up, I got a finer tooth. All right, that's what we come up with. Actually cuts out easier than plywood. So I'll go ahead, maybe you can see it very well. We'll drill our hole that goes around the servo arm screw, and then I got two marked for the outside of the arm to put another carbon rod through, and then I got the ends marked out here to for those little easy connects to go into. So we'll drill them out. Well, that's what we come up with. I'm not sure how I messed up those measurements, because now that I'm looking at it, that geometry is way wrong. But we'll put it together the way it is, see how it flies. I don't have much more time to work on it today. And there you have it, folks. Halfway done repair on a JTA extra JD after folding the front over. So still got to tape that and cut these off, but otherwise we'll see you next week. We'll either be working on this plane over here, finishing up that wing, or we'll have footage from our club's big ragu. So anyway, subscribe if you want to see more.